If I could write you a song and make you fall in love, I would already have you. But under my arm, I used to follow my tricks. I hope that you like this, but you probably won't. You think you're good with me. You got designer shades just to hide your face, and you wear them around like you're cool with me. And you never say, oh, remember my name. And it's probably cause you think you couldn't. You got your brow shoes on your feet, and you wear them around like they ain't shit. But you don't know the way that you look when your steps make that much noise. Shush, I got you all figured out. You need everyone's eyes just to feel seen. Behind your makeup, nobody knows who you even are. Who do you think that you are? If I could write you a song to make you fall in love, I would already have you. But under my arm, I used to follow my tricks. I hope that you like this, but you probably won't. You think you're cool with me. You got designer shades just to hide your face, and you wear them around like you're cool with me. And you never say, oh, remember my name. And it's probably cause you think you're cool with me. You got your brow switch and you're walking. You don't even look when you pass by, but you don't know the way that you look when your steps make that much noise. Shush, I got you all figured out. You need everyone's eyes just to feel seen. Behind your makeup, and nobody knows who you even are. Who do you think that you are? Cause it sure seems you got no doubt. But we all see you got your head in the clouds. If I could write you a song to make you fall in love, I would already have you. But under my arm, I used to follow my tricks. I hope that you like this, but you probably won't. You think you're cool with me. You got designer shoes just to hide your face, and you wear them around like you're cool with me. And you never say, oh, remember my name. And it's probably cause you think you're cool with me. You got designer shades just to hide your face, and you wear them around like you're cool with me. And you never say, and you forget my name. And it's probably cause you think you're cool with me.